I think the number one desire for women everywhere is for us to own a magic wand which can mystically take us to our target weight and flatten our bellies without us having to so much as lift a finger. Unfortunately, that doesn't exist yet. Maybe in the future. But until then, we've got something that comes pretty close. So you might want to listen up. So today I'm going to demonstrate this super fun Japanese technique for weight loss. And the best part is it does not involve dieting, working out, and it can be done anywhere, anytime because it's completely free and you won't have to spend a penny. So here's the backstory behind this. Dr. Fukujuji, a Japanese doctor, is the mastermind behind this magic technique. So what he did was basically specialize in any problem relating to the pelvis. And through his research, he found out that any extra layer of fat or any excess layer of fat around the belly is simply caused due to the misplacement of the pelvis. And once he discovered this, he came up with this simple method of weight loss which only had to do with better placement of the pelvis. All this technique involves is laying down in a particular position 3 times a day for 5 minutes. Now, even though this sounds super easy, it's really unpleasant to lie in the same way for 5 whole minutes. So since none of us are superhuman, you don't need to start by doing this much. You can start by doing it once a day for 3 minutes only and gradually build it up as you obtain the strength. So for this, what you have to do is basically sit on the floor and place a rolled up towel up against the small of your back on the floor. Make sure the towel is tied extremely tightly because you don't want this to unravel while you're peacefully trying to lose weight and you're in between this technique. So after you've done this, lay back against the towel and stretch out your arms and legs. Your pinky fingers need to be touching each other and point your toes inward till your 2 big toes are touching each other. Stare straight up at the ceiling and try to stretch your arms and legs outward a couple of times. As easy as that looked, it's actually quite uncomfortable. So don't go crazy and try to kill yourself on the first go. Take your time and slowly ease into it. This exercise is also known to reduce back pain in addition to the weight loss. Bonus! So there you go. Now before you go labeling this as bakwas because it sounds too simple to actually work, try it and do it for yourself first. Dr. Fukujuji sold at least 6 million copies of his book that demonstrated this technique, so clearly he was onto something good. Domo arigato, Dr. Fukujuji, for making the world a sexier place.